Okay, so this time I will put some texture onto this object, onto the stick that we have been creating. So I will just press spacebar, and then I can type in here grunge, the texture that we are been using earlier. Grunge or grunge. Let's say the second map, grunge 002, and then let's variate this by just adding, for example, transform. So I'll just put that there. So now I have two grunge maps. Let me raise this up, and then I can just mix this by using the blend. I'm sorry, the blend spacebar, blend. But before I do this, undo. Sorry, it was selected. I just blend. Then I'll put this. Then I can put this. And then if I will try to do a different, the mix is not showing that much. So I'll do is I can variate this other version by using transform. Sorry, the transform is here already. I can just rotate this there, so the variation is very possible now. Then I can just, let's say, adjust the blend opacity a little. There, some lining is coming out. Okay, and then I can blend it further into my object. So now that we have that, we will mix it, but before I do, I'll do another warp. So let's say if this is going to be warped here. Excuse me. I'm going to warp this object with my, there's the shape of it. See, so I'm going to lessen the intensity of the warp, so you would see there's the form of the stick. And then let's try this result to be blended together. So I'll just use this and reuse this shape, and then let's just try a multiply also. So now the shape is coming out, and then let's just lessen some opacity. Yeah, the intensity. I'm trying to lessen it so that it will not be that much flat. Let's increase it a little. There. So I have that pattern for on the surface of the stick or twig. Now we can add further by just repeating this step. Let's say let's add another grunge. Let's try number 4. making it look a little flaky. And then I will once more um, mix it with our object here, so I can adjust first. If you would like to, I can space bar and transform this again. Mhm. Transform it to make it a little smaller. I can hold shift and drag it here, make those flakes a little smaller. Let's say that. Now that I have created these flakes, I will I will directly blend it now here onto the object. Oops. Onto the stick. I'll just change it to screen. If it is not working on screen, let's try overlay. There. Now it is blending directly. Now I have those flaky patterns on top of those linear to add further details to it. If you would like, you can carefully move those to make variations of the details. So that is going to be how we add details on our twig.